Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today, I've got my friend Carol here from our Health Department. Hi, Carol.
Brandis,
Thank you for joining us today.
thank you for having me.
Great. Carol's here to talk to us about an opportunity with the Health Department. Carol, tell us more about this job.
So the position we're talking about today is with our tuberculosis clinic. It's called the City Chest Clinic Public Health Nurse. This position would be a case management position, so you would work closely with our active TB cases, our contacts to our cases, our infection, latent TB infection, and we would do a lot of treatment and education and just kind of overall touching bases with the community.
Okay. So this public health nurse in the tuberculosis area of the team, so you said that it's going to be case management, working with the people and working with the team in Metro Health?
Correct. So we work very closely with our clinics in the community, our hospitals, schools. We get a lot of referrals from them. We try to go out there and do some teaching to the community at fairs, health fairs. But yeah, ideally this position would be a lot of identifying and screening people. We would definitely provide the treatment, lots of education, hands-on, getting to know the community and walk them through this journey. It's usually at their most vulnerable when they're sick, but we have the opportunity to be able to walk through this journey with them and see them get healthy every visit they come see us.
Oh, great. So, Carol, can you talk to us a little bit about what the ideal candidate looks like as the public health nurse tuberculosis? What qualities are you looking for in this person?
Right. So, we really want somebody that's ready to learn. TB is a very specialized field, and we would provide all the training and education materials they would need for this. But there's always something to learn here. I've been here almost 10 years, and I'm learning something new every day. So there's never a dull moment here. So we want someone that's very motivated, willing to learn and jump in there and do what's needed. We do need a team player because we work with a lot of different professions. Like I mentioned, we reach out to businesses, schools. We work with our department, state health services, some CDC personnel. So being a team player is very important. And mostly, again, is just wanting to do that case management, having those organizational skills to be able to manage a full caseload and work with our patients. We do a lot of collaborating with them and their families and scheduling. So we need someone that can be organized to be able to do that.
Oh, great, Carol. And I think it's a really great thing that you're willing to educate the person in this position, the team, y'all are willing to educate that person and help them learn more about tuberculosis. So if they don't have as much experience in tuberculosis specifically, they're able to gain that through this opportunity.
Absolutely. Yeah. Again, we provide a lot of training here. We're very lucky and fortunate to have a center next to us. It's called the Heartland National TB Center. So they're one of 4 centers of excellence. They consult for the country. So we have specialized people here. They do a lot of training for us. They do case management training. A lot of training we can provide for. So you don't have to have experience to be in this position. We will teach you and we will walk with you and show you every step of the way.
So, Carol, I've heard be a team player, be organized, be open and willing to learn. You have the opportunity for some on-the-job training and specialized training in the area of tuberculosis. I mean, what more could a person want in an opportunity?
Well, let me tell you a little bit more about our situation here. So this is a Monday through Friday clinic, 7:45 to 4:30. We have plenty of parking, which is always a plus around here. We do a lot of daily activities, but we have weekly board reviews where we discuss new cases and sometimes kind of brainstorm if we're having some struggles. So you're never alone in this position. We do a lot of teamwork, a lot of discussions. We do a lot of conference calls with the Department of State Health Services. So You have the opportunity also that we have our own laboratory and pharmacy here, so you'll have a little insight into that. So we're very diverse here, and we're willing to, like I said, teach and answer any questions any of the public may have.
I mean, my goodness, Carol, you've just shared so much, and there's just so many opportunities within this position. And yes, abundant parking, the availability of parking, that is also very, very important. Glad you shared that with our viewers. Before we wrap things up, is there anything else you'd like to share with everyone about this very unique opportunity in the health department?
Right. So you would be, a part of this team, a very vital, important piece of our clinical management team. We work closely with 3 different physicians, so you have the opportunity to learn from different physicians. We have amazing staff here, our administrative staff, our case aides. It's a whole big course, like I mentioned, the Heartland consultants. So there's a lot of resources here for you. And really, we just thank you for considering this position. And I hope that we get some new team members added to this great team here.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Carol, for joining us and for sharing all of the great information about this position. And if you're interested in being one of our next public health nurses in the tuberculosis area for our health department, in addition to everything and all the great information that Carol shared, you will also need to have graduated from an accredited school of nursing and have current CPR and first aid certification for healthcare providers. You will also need to be licensed to practice as a registered nurse in the state of Texas. And of course, any applicant that we bring on, any person we bring on would need to, of course, be able to pass the necessary background checks. So if you're interested in this position, if all the things that Carol said sound like your dream job and you have the job requirements, then we definitely encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next time.